Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to start making money from affiliate marketing. And you're going to want to watch this entire training because I'm going to show you how you can start making money with affiliate marketing fast. And what I'm going to show you is a very simple 3-step process that anyone can use. So whether you are a beginner or whether you are someone that wants to start a whole new online business from home, you're going to want to watch this entire training until the very end because I'm going to have a super important bonus tip at the very end. All right, let's begin. Okay, in order to learn how to start making money from affiliate marketing, there are 3 very important steps that you need to take. All right, so let's begin with these 3 important steps. Let's begin with step number 1. So step number 1 is you need to create amazing content that makes you money. All right, so you want to create something that's going to help people to maybe like depending on your niche. Like, so for example, I'm in a weight loss niche, so I'm going to create content to help people lose weight. Or if you're in a make money online niche, you want to create content that's going to help people to make money online or from home, right? So the way to create content is you can create like what's called a YouTube channel. You can create a blog, you can create a TikTok account that's going to provide content, amazing content to people that's going to help them, or you can create a Facebook group. So let me show you, for example, I created a YouTube channel, right? I created a YouTube channel, and this is my YouTube channel here, Online Money 365. And here I'm making videos that's going to help people to make money online, right? So this is my YouTube channel, and people are going to come here for information on how to start making money online, right? Here's another example. I'm also in the weight loss niche. And I focus on belly fat. I help people lose belly fat. So what I did was I created a Facebook group, and I have over 6,000 members, right? So what you can do to provide valuable content, you can create a Facebook group, and you can provide valuable content to your group members. So for example, here, look at this. 3 excellent weekend morning fat loss tips you need to try. So this is the content. It's very short, simple, it's easy. And I even added a picture to it to make it more engaging, more interesting, more exciting. So you can create a Facebook group and provide valuable content. Here's some Friday motivation. This is what you need to quit to lose belly fat, right? So all you got to do is create some like something like a Facebook group or a YouTube channel or a blog, and that can help you to create amazing content, right? They can help you to create amazing content that's going to help you to make money, right? Okay, now let's go next to step number 2. Let's go. Okay, step 2 for learning how to start making money from affiliate marketing, especially fast, is this. This is step number 2. You want to promote your affiliate products in your content. That's right. So when you create amazing content, right? Remember here, we create amazing content, right? That's going to help people, right? Solve their problem. And then we're going to promote you're going to promote your affiliate products in your content. So for example, if you have a YouTube channel, you can provide your affiliate products in your YouTube videos and also in your description. Or if you have a blog post, you can provide your affiliate products or a link to your products in your content. So I'm going to give you an example. So for example, let's look here. Let's go back to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is called Online Money 365, and I'm going to click on this video. Or I'll click on this one. Right? I'm going to click on this one just to show you what I mean. So I created this video, right? And this video, the title is How to Use Facebook for Affiliate Marketing, Fast and Free Method. So I'm helping people here to learn how they can make money from Facebook by using affiliate marketing. Now, my links are here. In my video, I tell people to click the links below because I have some very valuable information. And if you look here, I have here, these are my affiliate links, right? My number 1 recommendation for blah, blah, blah. They also have access to a free report. Here's another affiliate link, step-by-step process on how to make money online from home. And then I have more affiliate links here down below, right? So for example, this one, the number 1 tool I use to automate my business. So if someone clicks here, I use GetResponse. This is an excellent service that I use. So if someone clicks on my link and then they decide to buy it or use the software, I get a commission for it. I make money. So this is how you can promote your affiliate products, right? You can promote your affiliate products in your content. Here's another example. So if whether you create a YouTube channel or you have Pinterest pins or a blog post or a TikTok account, you can provide your links there. Now I want to show you this one, TikTok, right? So I created a TikTok account. Now this is a fake TikTok account, right? This TikTok account is called Focus on Getting Rich. So you can create a TikTok account like this, and here this account is to help people make money online. So I haven't created any content, but what you can do is you create a profile, you create everything, a TikTok account, and then you start creating content. And then what you do is here you put a link to your affiliate product, right? So as you are creating content, people are going to come to know, like, and trust you, and they're going to click on your link. And when they click on your link, it's going to take them to an affiliate product. So for example, here I'm promoting this affiliate product, right? This is an affiliate product that I'm promoting. So you can put your link here, and all you got to do is create a simple TikTok account and start creating content, valuable content, and then people will get to know, like, and trust you, and then people will click on your links, and then they will buy your products. So that's a very super simple way to promote your affiliate products in your content. Now maybe you don't want to create a TikTok account because you don't want to show your face, or you don't want to create a YouTube channel. That's okay. Like I said before, you can create a Facebook group, right? You can create a Facebook group and then just create valuable content like this, right? Or like this, or even, let's see, like this, right? How to stop eating junk food at night, right? So right here, how to stop eating junk food at night. So all you gotta do is create content, and then once a week or maybe twice a week, you can drop an affiliate link to your group members, and then they can click on it and they can buy your product. All right. And also, if you have a blog, you can also do that as well. So keep that in mind. That's step number 2. That's how you promote your affiliate products and your content. Okay, let's go to step number 3. Let's go. Okay, step number 3 for learning how to start making money from affiliate marketing is you need to make affiliate money from your email list. That's right. You need to create an email list. Now, creating an email list is very important because it's a very simple way for you to email your email subscribers your affiliate products, right? At the same time, you also want to create an email list because let's just say, for example, you create a Facebook group, right? Let's just say you create a Facebook group, and then one day Facebook decides to close your Facebook group for whatever reason, right? They don't like a post you made, or you did something wrong, you said something, and they just close down your Facebook group. Well, if they close down your Facebook group, then there go all your members, there goes your group, and there goes your affiliate business. So that's why you want to create an email list, and it's very simple. You can create an email list using something like this. This is what I use. I use GetResponse, and it's a very simple way to create an email list, right? And also, so by creating an email, in order to create an email list, you need to create a simple landing page to collect emails, and then you want to create. So here, let's go here step by step. So you want to create a simple landing page to collect emails, and as I mentioned before, you can use something like this, like GetResponse. Here you can create a landing page, and you can, and also it's going to help you to collect emails. So I'm going to give you an example of a landing page. So for example, I'm in a weight loss niche, right? So this is a landing page that I created. It says free report. I'm giving out a free report to people, right? And it says right here, 25 most powerful ways to start losing belly fat in the next 30 days. Start today. And it tells people here, enter your name and email, right? So people that want to start losing belly fat, they can provide their information, and then I will email them information, right? Now look, here's another example. I'm also in the make money online niche, right? So right here, this is what I'm offering. This is what I'm offering to people. This is my opt-in page. Discover how to start a profitable online business starting today. And I'm giving out a free report, right? What's inside? A special free report. All right. So if people enter their name and email address, they're going to get this free report from me, right? So you want to create a simple landing page to collect emails. And then number 2 is you want to create valuable email content and provide an affiliate link to your email list. So for example, What do I mean by valuable content? Going back here. So for example, let's just say someone enters their name and their email address here, right? When they hit the yes, I want free instant access button, then it's going to take them to this this part right here. They're going to get an email from me. This is me. It says, welcome, start your online business today. So it's going to welcome them. It's going to thank them. It's going to give them some instructions. I'm going to give them their free report. It says download your free report. The name of the free report is the Ultimate 9-to-5 Escape Plan. So they're going to get access to that. And then when they scroll below, I provided my affiliate link right here. This is my affiliate link, the 3-day Freedom Breakthrough Challenge. So when people click on this link, it's going to take them to my affiliate product, right? So when people see this, they're going to be like, wow, it's interesting. Maybe I would like to buy this product, right? This is only a $7 product, but it leads them to a more expensive product, a high ticket affiliate product. So it does not, but anyways, this is a way for me to promote my affiliate products by email. That's why I mentioned before that you want to make money from your email list. And all you got to do is create a simple landing page and then write valuable email content. And for example, when you email people, right, when you're going to email people, all you got to do is use examples like this right here. For example, 3 quick tips to make $1,000 in 30 days. So depending on your niche, right? So like if you're in the dog niche, then maybe 3 quick tips to help your dog stop barking, right? Or if you're in the weight loss niche, 3 quick tips to help you lose lose fat in the next 7 days, right? Give them something of value, and then you provide your affiliate link, right, and that email. Here's another example. This is an example for someone that's in the make money online niche. So how to start an online business with no money, right? You can provide 3 quick tips, right? And then you provide your affiliate link in, right? You provide your affiliate link in your emails. And then that's how you get people to buy your products, right? That's how you get people to buy your products. Okay. Now it's time for the bonus tip. The bonus tip, right? Let's go. Okay, before I give you the bonus tip, I want to mention that I want you to click the link below because I have some amazing trainings that help you to start a business, an online business fast. And also, I have an amazing free report that I want to give you. So it's the second link down below in the description. So make sure you click those 2 links down below because you're gonna get a free report and you're gonna get access to some amazing training. All right, let's continue. So let's recap before I give you the bonus tip, right? So step number 1 is you want to create amazing content that makes you money. Step number 2 is you want to promote your affiliate products in your content, right? And then step number 3, you want to make affiliate money from your email list. These 3 things will make you will help you to start making money from affiliate marketing, especially very fast. And here's the bonus tip. Ready? The bonus tip is this. You want to create content and email your list every day. That's right. I know this sounds like a lot of work, but you want to create content and email your email list every day. So for example, let's just say you have a Facebook group, right? You have a Facebook group and you want to create one piece of content every day. That's all you got to do. For example, this is what I did. 3 excellent weekend morning fat loss tips. That's it. And very simple. That's it. And I even give him a bonus tip. That's it. Nothing difficult. And by creating content every day, people get to know, like, and trust me faster, right? And they're like, hey, you know what? This guy's very helpful, you know? So then when I give them an affiliate link, they'll buy my product, right? They'll buy my product. So, and also, you want to email your list every single day, right? So going back here, you want to email your list every single day. You want to give them some tips on how to lose weight or how to make money or just how to save money, right? Whatever your niche is, you want to create content every day and you want to email your list every day because this is a fast and easy way to get people to know, like, and trust you. And it's also a fast and easy way to start making money, right? From affiliate marketing. So keep that in mind. All right, so I hope you like this amazing training. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this training. Also, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and also I have some amazing information in my YouTube description. So click those links below, and you will get access to a free report and access to some amazing training. Okay, I hope you like this training. I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.